first graders, it's Miss Pam. This week we're learning about bumblebees. This is a picture of a bumblebee. You can see how hairy it is in this picture. Looks like a teddy bear to me. I'm going to read you something that I wrote about bees, bumblebees. Specifically, this is about physical characteristics or facts about their bodies and how their bodies look. Bumblebees belong to a group of bees called bumblebees. There are about 250 different kinds of bumblebees, and 40 of those kinds or species live in North America, where we live. And this is North America, and we live in California, the state of California, the country of the United States. Bumblebees are known to make a low buzzing sound. They fly in an awkward, bumbling way. That's why they're called bumblebees. Bumblebees are very large and furry bees that are mostly black. They have stripes or bands of yellow that are white, yellow, or bright orange. They are about 10 to 23 milliliters long. 23 milliliters long is almost an inch long, and this picture of the bumblebee here is its actual size. Like all bees, bumblebees have 3 body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. This is not a bumblebee, this is a digger bee, but a bumblebee has a head, a thorax, and an abdomen, 6 legs, and 4 wings. And the legs, there's 3 legs on one side of the thorax, 3 legs on the other side. Then there's 2 wings on one side of the thorax, the forewing and the hind wing, and 2 wings on the other side. Bumblebees have pollen baskets on their back or hind legs. The shape of the pollen baskets allows bumblebees to pack pollen mixed with nectar and saliva, making little pellets that stick to the hairs of the legs. And you can barely see there's some yellow on the legs here. That's the pollen sticking to the hind legs. Bumblebees are the first to be seen in the spring and the last bees that we might see in the fall. They are able to be in the colder weather because of their thick layer of hair. Also, bumblebees can make their own heat by shivering their flight muscles. They have a way of moving the muscles that help them fly without it making their wings flap. This helps them raise the temperature of their bodies. All right, for what we're going to do now, for the next couple of activities, you're going to need some supplies. So I want you, as soon as I tell you what you need, I want you to pause this video and go get them. So the first thing that you're going to need to get are 2 pieces of paper, just regular paper, 1 pen or a marker, a pair of scissors, some tape, and a clothes hanger. So this is my clothes hanger. All right, so go get those things. And you can pause the video while you do that. All right, and now you're going to come back and we're going to think about what we learned about physical characteristics of bumblebees. So in the middle here, I want you to make a circle, kind of a long, skinny circle, and you're going to write bumblebee physical characteristics. And characteristics is a long word, so give yourself lots of space for it. All right, and then I'm going to draw some lines off of here. All right, now I'm thinking about what I learned from what I read. So I remember that bumblebees are very large. Now I'm not writing in complete sentences. These are just notes. They're very large. And I remember one more thing about that. They're almost 1 inch long. All right, something else I remember about them is that they're very furry. And there was an interesting fact I learned about their fur, that it helps keep them warm. And I want to remind you, if you need to catch up, just pause the video and then come back. All right, I remember something else about bumblebees that has to do with them keeping warm. I remember they shiver their flight muscles, the muscles that help them fly, to stay warm. And they can do that without flapping their wings. I think that's so cool. All right. Another characteristic that they are usually black with yellow, white, or orange bands. And bands is a fancy word for stripes. Something else I remember, like all bees, they have 3 body parts. And there's a head, thorax, and abdomen. And like all other bees, they have 6 legs, 4 wings. Those are attached to the thorax. Pause if you need to pause. And one more fact I remember. They have pollen baskets on back legs. All right, this is information that you're going to need tomorrow. So when you're finished writing, and you can pause if you need to, when you're finished writing, you're going to save this for tomorrow. Now, I want you to get your other piece of paper, and you're going to put it in front of you so the long end is by your tummy. You're going to fold the 2 short ends to meet. So now you have a piece of paper in front of you like that. And you're going to fold again so the short end goes to the other short end and crease it. And then you're going to open up your whole piece of paper like that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. You're going to cut and along the lines, the folded lines, to make 4 pieces of paper. And I'm just going to put my 2 together here and match up the folded lines. You're going to make 4 pieces of paper. All right. Now we're going to be making a mobile about bumblebees, and I will show you that in a bit. The mobile is going to have facts about bumblebees, and everybody's going to have facts about physical characteristics. That's characteristics of their body. So you're going to write that on one of your pieces of paper. Everybody's going to have something about nesting habits. You're going to write nesting habits on a piece of paper. And then you're going to either do about pollination, so what kinds of foods they pollinate, or fun facts. And you can do all 4. Right now we're going to put 3 of these on our clothes hanger. So if you need to pause this so you can see, I'm going to put these so you can see a little bit better. All right, so go ahead and write those. When you're done writing those, I want you to get your clothes hanger and your tape. All right, on the side, on the left side, you're going to take a piece of tape, on the left side of the bottom of your hanger. You're going to put the tape in the middle of where it says physical characteristics and have it hang a little bit below like that. Then you're going to take nesting habits and you're going to take that in the middle. And then you're going to choose whichever one you want to do, pollination or fun facts. I think I want to do fun facts. I think I'm going to do all 4, but for now I'm going to put fun facts here, and I want it to hang a little bit below. If you want to do all 4, just save this so you've got something that looks like, and I'm going to take my phone off of here so you can see. It looks like this. And we are going to be making a mobile, and I'm going to show you what my mobile looks like. This is a mobile of a bumblebee. And this is eventually what our mobile is going to look like. It's going to have, we've got facts about physical characteristics, nesting and social habits, feeding, pollination, and fun facts. We're going to have a scientific drawing of a bumblebee and facts below each one of the categories. All right, that's all for today. I hope you had a great time. See you tomorrow. Bye.